Is it important to practice more RC or concentrate on gaining more vocabulary? Vocabulary is pointless. Vocabulary is not needed at all. See, it is basically a choice between RC and reading. Basically, reading is freestyle reading from many sources as such, not necessarily an RC set. I would say that if you're somebody who has no basically background in reading, you have not read a book in a very long time, then do this 50%, 50%, because just doing RC when you have no context, no background of reading is very difficult to do. So in that case, if you have no reading background, I'd say do this 50%, do this 50%, and then slowly as you get to like September, October, November, mostly just do RCA from that point on and stop the reading. But the reading is necessary for you that so that you at least have some basic idea of what is going on, what is there in art, what is there in history, what is there in like politics, in philosophy. For you to understand an RC set, you need that kind of background, right? You need some idea of what is going on. If today, like I suddenly tell you, give you election memes, if you have no idea about India's politics and I just give you election memes, will you understand them? No, it will be very difficult for you to do that. So that's why I want you to read widely, at least initially, and after some time switch over entirely to practicing RCs.